We are now hearing from Mahmoud Khalil in his own words, as written in new court documents. Lawyers for Khalil have filed declarations with the court in support of their push to prevent his deportation. Khalil has been in custody in Louisiana since March. ICE agents arrested him over his involvement in pro-Palestinian protests at Columbia University, which took place last year. CBS News correspondent Michael George reports.
The government didn't allow Mahmoud Khalil's request for a temporary release when his wife went into labor.
He starts with saying that the most visceral of these harms is the pain of missing the birth of his son.
And these new court papers, as read by his lawyers, paint a heartbreaking picture.
And he talks to the judge about how devastating it was to not be able to hold his wife's hand in the delivery room, but instead to be on the phone with her, crouched on a detention center floor, whispering through a crackling phone line while 70 other men sleep around him.
The filing also details the moment Khalil met his baby. He writes, quote, "The first time I saw my son in person was through a plate glass window. The first time I held him was in an immigration courtroom, only after Noor traveled over 10 hours with our newborn." In a statement to CBS News, the Department of Homeland Security said in part, quote, "Khalil had a contact visit with his wife and child before his court hearing, but we're offering him even more. Use the CBP Home app to self-deport." A lawyer for Khalil criticized the government's case, saying it hasn't presented any concrete evidence to prove Khalil is a threat. He also called the government's assertion that Khalil misrepresented his work experience on his green card application a cover.
That cover only was needed once the world erupted about Mahmoud's lawless arrest and the government's truly Orwellian belief that it can deport someone from the U.S., particularly a green card holder, for free speech and separate them from the U.S. citizen wife and the U.S. citizen son.
Noor Abdullah, Khalil's wife, also made a statement to the court.
Unquestionably, this experience will be a scar on me and our whole family forever. But one step toward our family becoming whole again is to bring Mahmoud home.
As for Khalil's deportation case, there's no timetable for when the immigration judge will rule, but Khalil's attorney expects a decision soon. DHS also told us, quote, "When you advocate for violence, glorify and support terrorists that relish the killing of Americans and harass Jews, take over buildings and deface property, that privilege should be revoked, and you should not be in this country." In his statement to the court, Khalil denied supporting Hamas or engaging in anti-Semitic activity. Michael George, CBS News, New York.